Hey, this is Scott from Kitchen Wise, and I'm here to show you how to adjust the shelves in your pantry. What we're going to do is we're going to remove everything off the drawer. We're going to pull the drawer all the way out, and on the bottom of the drawer, there's some clips under here that you want to pull outwards. She's going to get a shot of that. So we're going to take these and we're going to pull them out. Hold them out while you pull the drawer. Once you're out, you can lift the drawer off and set the drawer to the side. We can pop the slides back in. And now with those soft close slides, we can tilt them up and pull them out. To put them back in, we're going to find the hole in the back. The pin in the back is longer so that you can rest it there before you slide it in on the front. I'm going to slide it in as I'm tilting that up, and then I'm going to rest that back down. We can take this and we take the drawer, just set it in right on top of those slides until we get a little bit of resistance, and then just give it a push to back so you can hear the click. And that's how you adjust the height.